Clients are always complaining that they cannot find a toy hauler that is towable by an older 3/4 ton truck, fits a 4-seat Can-Am X3 or a 4-seat Razor 1000, and is under $60,000. Well, here's one of the solutions. A 2023 Shockwave by Forest River 30FKGDX. This beautiful toy hauler has 2 power awnings, Arctic package, which includes a heated and enclosed underbelly, power stabilizers, 5,500 watt generator, 2 air conditioners, and a double door propane electric refrigerator. "99% of toy hauler kitchens stink. And that's because the majority of the time they have to shrink down the cabinets and the counter space to fit these big side-by-sides anymore. Now the good news about the Shockwave is they give you a few more cabinets throughout the toy hauler to make up for the lack of them in the kitchen. As we swing around to the booth dinette and the bunk bed, it does not have the patio kit on this model I filmed, but it is an option. It's a queen size bunk bed and a full size dinette bed. Now going into the bathroom, you're going to have lots of elbow space around the toilet, a good linen closet, and the same shower that's in every other toy hauler brand across America. A 1-person shower. But being in a toy hauler, if you're tall, let's say you're 6'3", 6'4", you're going to feel pretty comfortable in there. You got a king size walk around bed and a wardrobe slide for all of your clothing storage needs.